So guys, I just received 3 more packages. One is yet to arrive today itself, and looks like we got 6 of Crows, and then we got From Blood and Ash, and then the Powerless and Fearless. Sorry, not Fearless, Reckless actually. So let's unbox it now. So as you all know, we just unboxed these books yesterday. Now let's begin. I guess let's begin with this one, and it is 6 of Crows. All right, let's open it now and see how is the condition. I don't really want to see too much shabby condition of the book, seriously, because of course we are also collecting it at the same time. Let's see, it looks in a good packaging, at least for now, and oh yes, it is in a really good condition, I can see. Alright, let's quickly unwrap it. Check. So just like yesterday, I bet that we are going to collect cash today. And yes, I think this is the book. Actually not too much, but it's fine. It's better than that we got yesterday from here, and it was a little bit torn off, but it is what it is. No comments on that. Let's ignore the fact that we not in a too good condition, but yeah. Alright, so here we have it, 6 of Crows, and it's the duology with our Crooked Kingdom. So the first book in the series is 6 of Crows, then we have Crooked Kingdom. So yeah, so the book does look in okay-ish condition, as you can see. It's a little bent, but you know it's fine. At the end you gotta read the books. So yeah. So now I think we should open this one, and it is From Blood and Ash. जितना मेरे को पता है, let's open it now. So yeah, I just opened it up, and let's see if it's in the best condition or it isn't. Okay, wait a second. It does look in a very good condition to me, at least for now. Let's not say it too earlier, because who knows. Alright, I got a little rough while opening this book, obviously because I'm not having a knife with me. Okay, the book is in actually a pretty good condition, I would say. And you can see, super floppy book. And here is From Blood and Ash, a Blood and Ash novel. So it is in an okayish condition too. It's actually better than those condition, right? So you can see Blood and Ash. This is the first book of the series, and I am super excited to read this. And yeah, is there any map or something like that? Okay, let's not spoil it. Obviously, we shouldn't spoil it. Yeah. So now, wait, I did not show you that book from maybe little inside. Okay, I can show you, but I'll not be. Oh wow, that's a good looking. Okay, it's a map, as you can see. Then we have the chapter, which you can see. I'll not be seeing that. So yeah. Alright. Let's get off that and start with the new package. And it should be having Powerless and Reckless. I believe that is the last book of the series, Fearless. And between this, we are also having Powerful, which is yet to arrive in maybe a few days or so. So let's open this. Alright. Okay, so again, hoping for the best conditions. We haven't yet received the best condition book yet, and yeah, okay, this looks okay. Now that's what I'm talking about. Alright, here we go. Powerless and Reckless. Awesome. Let's open Powerless first. Alright. So again, the books की जो pricing है that I'll tell you in the end of the video and give you the link in the description. So here we have Powerless. It's the first book of the series and by Lauren Roberts. As you can see, book is in quite okay condition. I would say it's in a good condition. So yeah, I guess we should be having maybe something. No, not the chapter. Let's not sneak on that. We got the map here, and then again we got the chapters which I'm not obviously seeing for at least now. And yeah, here's the back of the book. This is the front. Yeah, these are paperbacks. So yeah, the hardcovers are a little more expensive than that. These paperbacks. Alright, now we are having Reckless. Oh, just that's okay, that's fine. Then we have Reckless. Alright. Okay, it's in a good condition, I would say. And again, we'll get this book after maybe 1st or 2nd October. So yeah, we got this Reckless here. And yeah, you can see. Now let me just take a little peek. Yeah. Okay, the map again. I really like maps in books, especially in fantasies. Oh, nice. And this is the 3rd book in the series, I guess. Like, first we get Powerless, then we have Powerful, and then we are having Reckless, and then we are having Fearless. So yeah, it's a very popular series among readers, and I am really excited again. So now I'll wait for the Red Queen to arrive. Not the Red Queen, but the book to arrive. And again, we have the same trash like yesterday. So yeah. So today's book haul is like this. We have upgraded with a few more books, and now we'll be getting our Red Queen today, I believe, till afternoon. So yeah, meet you guys soon. So guys, just received the next book. अभी आई है, and it's the Red Queen. Now we are going to unbox it and I'll show you. So yeah. So guys, now we can open it and let's see how the condition of the book really is. So this is also a paperback that I ordered. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it is. And okay, for now it does look in very good condition. To me, at least for now. Let's check it. Little bend over there, but that's good. That is acceptable. Nothing too shabby. This is quite in good condition, I would say. It's a little bent, but that's totally fine. So here we have Red Queen, and yeah, let's check some of the pages. Yeah, so we got content and then we got the chapters. So okay, that's fine. No maps as it is not too much fantasy, but yeah. Now let's keep it. So the books that we received today are Red Queen, Six of Crows, Reckless, Fearless, From Blood and Ash, and yeah, नहीं Reckless तो नहीं, हाँ Reckless and Powerless, Fearless तो we did unbox yesterday. So we did 5 books today. This the Red Queen, then Six of Crows, then Reckless, then Powerless, and finally From Blood and Ash. So yeah, now you would be wondering that how many books are left. So for now, it's about one book left, I think, from Flipkart, and then we will move on to the haul that I brought from Meesho, and yeah, I'll be uploading the video soon, very soon, and yeah, meet you in a few days with the next book.